During his official visit to Japan, the President of Turkmenistan, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, held a meeting with Endo Toshiaki, chairman of the Japanese-Turkmen Inter-Parliamentary Friendship Group. The sides discussed key aspects of bilateral cooperation, emphasizing Turkmenistan's desire to expand and strengthen dialogue with Japan in the Asia-Pacific region. During the meeting, it was noted that Turkmen-Japanese relations are dynamically developing in the political, diplomatic, trade, economic, and cultural-humanitarian spheres. Special attention was paid to interparliamentary cooperation, which is seen as an important tool for strengthening mutual understanding and trust between the two countries. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov highly appreciated the activities of the Turkmen-Japanese Interparliamentary Friendship Group, emphasizing its significant contribution to the development of bilateral ties.